Hello 18! Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. Update tayo sa ating SB19. Ito ang dahilan kung bakit proud tayo sa ating mahalima dahil sa Global Spin Live na kung saan kasama din ang SB19 sa kanilang Grammy Museum at Lollapalooza performances at journey. Ito ay spotlighting ng mga Afrobeats music, K-pop, Latin music at kasama na dyan ang SB19 ng P-pop. Sana ay lahat ng P-pop artist ay kunin nila. At heto, naibalita ng PTV5 ng Pilipinas ang pag-perform ng SB19 sa Grammy Museum July 28 at Lollapalooza ngayong July 30. Super exciting lahat ng 18 at ng fans ng P-pop sa buong mundo. Hindi lang sa Pilipinas, hindi lang sa Amerika, kundi dadagsain talaga ng mga Filipino at ibang lahi ang isang park sa Chicago na kung saan doon maganap ang Lollapalooza Music Festival at mag-perform ng 5 or 6 songs ang ating mahalima.
SB19 is set to appear in the Grammy Museum's Global Spin Live series on July 28, where the group will participate in a live discussion and special performances in Los Angeles. The appearance comes ahead of another milestone as SB19 prepares to make its debut at the Lollapalooza Music Festival in Chicago on July 30th. The Grammy Museum recognized the group as pioneers of modern P-pop and praised their global success, including more than 1 billion career streams and a dedicated international fan base. SB19 said they are honored by the opportunity and hope to proudly represent the Philippines while introducing P-pop to a wider global audience.
I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me. And what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.